Hey everyone, this is part 2 of my first PC build. As you can see, I installed my water cooling system. It's a little longer than I hoped to get all my pieces. It's been about 2 weeks instead of a week like they said, but oh well, that's shipping for you. I've mounted my pump right there. It's pretty nice. I got a Swift Tech radiator. I have a 120mm fan on it. And then I got my nice water block there. See if I can get it. Yeah, there we go. I got red UV dye. I don't have my UV lights in it right now, but that's what it'll look like. Hopefully a little bit better with the UV lights. It's good right now though. Hopefully it's not too much of a glare. I have a thermal bay reservoir. It's pretty nice and fits in your 5 1/4 bay drive. Helps out a lot. So this is part 2 and my final part for my first PC build, and that's it. I might do a little bit more videos on updates later, and thanks.